Okay, here we are at the city. You can see it's 12:51 p.m. We're here at 48th and Oakland, South Minneapolis. And I'll pull back. So this is where it meets up with the city. Through here, it appears to be concrete. It's at a lot of the joints throughout the pipe. I believe it's concrete. Seeping through the joints here. Here you can see it a little bit on the bottom left-hand side. There's the top right. There wasn't any roots in it on the push down. You can see it around there. Let me try to I'm gonna pause the video. Get the camera repositioned. So there you can see it around there too. Hey. This stretch through here looks really good. 6-inch clay tile. So there's some light cracking there on the top. There's a section on the top part of that join right there that's missing. You can see that part's a little chewed up too, the top. And there's appear to be a hairline crack around the top perimeter of the second pipe. You can see it go from the lower left-hand corner all the way around the top and then around back over the side. And it finish right there, right near the joint. Appears to go all the way around the crack to the bottom. There, around the pipe. looks like there's a ring around this joint right here too that appears to be a hairline crack. Either that or it's a manufactured defect. And the camera pulled back right here. And on that first joint right there, on the top right hand corner, there appears to be a crack that comes down to that joint. And the only reason I can't see it is because I'm just out of the 4x6, which is right here. So I'm going to go back in one more time and see if I can't see that crack a little bit better. So this appears to be the best angle we can get on this damage here on the top, but you can see it on the top, and on the right hand side there's damage to that pipe.